Hello everybody and welcome to Triplet Piglet Vloglet number 6. Today I'm going to introduce you to Grace, who's 10, and she lives here with the piglets, with the pet piglets, and we're going to do a little interview with her. So I'll turn the camera around and here is Grace. Hello Grace.
Hello.
Now Grace, can you tell me what your thoughts and feelings were when you learned from your dad that you were going to have some pet piglets here where you live?
I was very excited because it was always my dream just to have some little fun animals just running around in my garden, being free.
And you got to name the piglets, didn't you? Mary, Berry and Cherry.
Hey! That's my coat!
Who's that? Is that Berry? Being mischievous again,
Mary.
chewing your coat?
Mary.
Yeah, Berry, we know what you're like. So, nibbling my fingers now. So tell me about how you came up with those names and the spellings, which are a little bit unusual.
Well, I wanted something that rhymes and it would be cute and also something quite unique, like a unique spelling. That's why I came up with Mary, Berry and Cherry.
So Mary is spelled M-E-R-I, Berry B-E-R-I, and Cherry C-E-R-I. I like those spellings. It reminds me of Italian spelling. Mary, Berry, Cherry. Now when the pigs first came here, it was February, wasn't it?
Yes, they were absolutely small.
They were really small then. And
Yeah.
because it was cold outside, where did they live?
They lived in our downstairs bathroom.
Tell us what that was like.
It was so weird because sometimes we would go into the bathroom and we'd just remember, oh, the piglets are here, so we're gonna have to go upstairs and go to the bathroom. So it was just weird getting used to them there, and it was weird getting used to the smell because you always get new smells when new people come in or new animals come in.
I think it was a big relief to everybody, including the piglets, when they were able to go and live outside.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you'd like to share with us about your thoughts and feelings about living with pet pigs, what you enjoy the most?
Definitely, it's fun to see them running around, having fun in all this space when sometimes they're just locked up in small spaces, and it's fun to see them in their natural habitat, just being them, not being told what to do or where to go, just being them really.
I totally agree with you there. Now it's Friday today, isn't it? And I think we do have a little Friday treat for the piglets, don't we? What have you got hidden behind the bush over there? I think we've got some peanuts, which is one of their favourite things. Now let's see if the piglets recognise this box. It's an old margarine box and it's full of peanuts. They've had some from this box already today. Let's see if they spot what Grace has got. And let's see how they react.
Cherry has.
Oh.
Mary has.
I'm having my woolly boot nibbled at the moment. Who's that? Mary. Right.
What have I got? Piglets. Oh. Ready? Come on. Look over.
Now if you give some to me, Grace, I'll see if they'll take some from my hand. Okay, anybody want some? Anybody want some peanuts? Here comes Cherry. Will she do it? There's a whole load there, look.
Looking past you.
What we're seeing is the way that they are very good at finding food in the ground by rooting. We've seen this before and we've talked about this before. They've got a very good sense of smell and they're able to find lots of little bits of food in the ground that will give them all the minerals and vitamins they need. So I think they're very happy eating their Friday treat. We are going to say goodbye. So it's goodbye from Grace.
Bye.
And goodbye from me and Mary and Cherry and Berry. See you next time on the TPV. Bye everybody.